Good morning, boys and girls. Whoa, my gosh, that thing is way too close to my face. I'm a little freaked out. And
Mr. Jake, when is the last time you shaved?
a month ago? We should maybe fix this. Ooh, I'm pretty sure that's actually worse. Let me fix that. Ooh, I mean, this is better, but I don't know. Yeah, that's much better. Feeling fresh now. Hey, Mr. Chris, how you doing over there?
Hey, Mr. Jake, I'm doing awesome. You look great, man, but I don't really want to change.
Well, I want to give it a shot anyway.
Alright, I guess, see if you can. Not really working for
Come
me.
on! The mustache will stay, I guess.
I guess this is how I'm staying, Mr. Jake.
Whew. Feels good to have a little bit more space.
Yeah, this seems more like it.
Those close-ups were a little much. I'm Mr. Jake.
And I'm Mr. Chris.
Workout teaching.
And you're co-learning.
Welcome to COVIdeo 19. I thought love was only true in fairy tales, meant for someone else, but not for me. Item number 1, Math and Language Arts. Today I'm going to show you how to work with fractions that have different denominators, and we're going to add and subtract them. Hi there, boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you how to add and subtract fractions with different denominators. Just like what we've been doing before, the first thing we need to do is make our denominators broken into the same amount of pieces. And we do that by cross multiplying, right? This needs to be broken into 3 times as many pieces, and this needs to be broken into 5 times as many pieces. 3 times 5 makes 15. Here are my new denominators. I found them by multiplying across. Remember, we're not totally done yet. We do have to cross multiply going from the bottom to the top. 3 times 2 is 6. And let's do it the other way. 5 times 1 is 5. Now that we have them broken into the same amount of pieces, it's quite a bit easier to add them. So let's go ahead and do that. 6 plus 5, that makes 11. Do we add our denominators? No, we do not. So our final answer would be 11 out of 15. I want to show you one other thing over here. Watch this. A lot of times I see students making this mistake. I see them multiplying across, and so far, so good. I have my new denominators of 15. Watch what my students do here. 3 times 2 is 6. Now what's wrong with this? If you look over here, I took 3 and I multiplied it by 2. I ended on the left side, so my numerator shouldn't be over here on the right. It should be over here on the left. As you can see, this 6 needs to be on the left side because I started from the bottom and I went up and I ended on the left side. Let me show you what happens if we mess that up. Let's take 5 times 1, and look, I put my 5 totally on the wrong side. Now look at this. 5 minus 6, I can't do that. Let's go back and do it the right way, okay? So I take 5 times 3, and I get 15 as my new denominator. So far, so good, right? Now I go from the bottom to the top. 3 times 2 is 6. Now remember, do I go on the left or the right for this one? Well, since I started on the bottom and I ended up on the left, that means my 6 needs to go over here on the left where it ends up. Same over here. 5 times 1 is 5. This is a lot easier. 6 minus 5, that's 1 out of 15. I'm a believer, I could leave her if I tried. Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer, not a trace. It's out of my mind.
Item number 2, helping around the house. Today we're going to show you how to fold your towels the right way and not the wrong way. Bad idea. Using karate to fold your laundry.
Whatcha?
Using karate to fold your laundry.
Good idea. Fold your towels like a normal person by, well, folding them and not using karate. Well done, Mr. Chris. Item number 3, the forecast. Ladies and gentlemen, today you can expect a high of 31 degrees and a low of 13. Should be seeing mostly sunny skies throughout the day, so enjoy the weather.
Item number 4, the health tip. Today we want to show you with a quick demonstration from Mr. Jake the proper way to take off a mask if you're wearing it. You want to make sure you take it off from the back and not the front.
Ta-da! The use of trying, all you get is pain. When I needed sunshine, I got rain. Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer, not a trace. Down in my mind, I'm in love. I'm a believer, I could leave her if I tried. Then I saw her. Item number 5, the laugh of the day. Mr. Chris, knock knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting cow.
Interrupting.
Moo!
Interrupting.
Moo! Moo! Moo. Alright.
Item number 6, energy fact of the day. Did you know the word energy comes from the Greek word energia, meaning operation or activity?
Item number 7, today we have a bonus energy tip for you, brought to you from a student of the University of Nebraska in Lincoln, which is where I went to school. Go Big Red! Woo! Yeah!
Item number 8, inspirational quote of the day. Believe you can, and you're halfway there.
I like that. I'm Mr. Jake.
And I'm Mr. Chris.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. I tried. I thought love was more or less a given thing. Seems the more I gave, the less I got. What's the use of trying? All you get is pain. When I needed sunshine, I got rain. Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer, not a trace. Down in my mind, I'm in love. I'm a believer, I could leave her if I tried. Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer, not a trace. Down in my mind.